Hi, I will now show you how to open a TradeLocker account so we can begin our trading journey. Step 1. Go to the TradeLocker tab. Hit the New Account. You will now be brought to the account creation page. Select your account mode, Live or Demo. Select a trading name. Select your account type when applicable. And finally, select your leverage. Do take note that on the right-hand side, we have the account preview, where we can see the name, the account mode, the leverage, the base currency that we will be using, the account type, the minimum deposit required, what platform we are using, and what our server will be. Do take note that the account details will be sent to your email. Now, let's open the account. And just like that, I have an account with GenesisFX Markets, and I can now begin my trading journey. Thank you.